I've been talking to him for a year and a half, dude.
Miranda?
I had to hide his number. My dad doesn't like him at all. But I cussed him out.
What happened to you?
What's up?
Hello? Hello?
Hey. You should go leave a voicemail.
Fuck you, okay? Fuck your voicemail too. I don't give a fuck. I do not like sitting here talking to your voicemail. That is not cute. You understand me? Change your voicemail, because I do not like it. It makes me not stable. Alright? Unstable. Understand? I do not like it. I don't. Not at all. I do not like sitting here talking to it. I do not like it. I hope you understand me. And if you don't, change your voicemail. Because, like I said 20 more times, I do not like it, I do not like it.
You fucked my firefly!
I sat here and I talked to it like it was you. And then you sound like a 20-year-old virgin. What is up with that? Really? Go out and get laid. And change your voicemail. Goodbye.
You're retarded, bro. You know what happened, man? I don't know, you have a big scratch. Oh, look, your video camera saw it.
Oh.